All right, guys, we've got the 50-piece Anchor keychain gift set. So you get 50 of these. They're identical, but these are going to come in handy. They definitely are legit. It's a really nice looking Anchor keychain or pendant, however you want to call it. You've got this clip here for the top of it to be able to put it on a keychain or something like that. But definitely a nice pendant, maybe for like a nautical themed wedding or like someone who's people who are sailors or something like that. Different touches. You get 50 of them. When I'm looking at the number on the product page, if you're looking for anything like this, I mean, the value is incredible. If you're a wedding planner, something like that, if you're just looking to give some, like maybe you work in the sailing or ship industry, this is just a nice thing that you can add in as like a thank you card to like potential new clients. That seems like it's highly valuable, but really it's the values for you. I mean, this is incredible. I think you need to get it.